actually just got to Fine Dreadlocks right here. Now, you guys know I've never actually been to a salon for my locks, so this is my first ever salon visit. So we're gonna walk in together and we're gonna do this together. So let me get all my stuff so we can get inside. Well, I mean, I haven't detoxed my hair in a couple months. So.
Hi, I'm Darnishia, #1 loctician in Arizona. No, let me stop.
I feel it.
I'm camera shy.
Do what you gotta do.
Okay, and then your babies, they look nice.
Thank you.
They do. They just need some TLC.
Thank you.
Okay. So I don't think that we need to do the apple cider vinegar rinse.
Cool.
Only because I don't see buildup.
Perfect.
There's no buildup here, but I do see extremely dry.
Okay.
So I offer a hot oily treatment that will help with that.
Okay.
And then for at-home care, what do you use?
I usually spray with rose water and glycerin, and then I oil my scalp like every other day.
Okay, so how you feel about the rose water?
I usually like it. Now, I wasn't doing it on the East Coast, so I know that's why they feel kind of dry, so usually when I'm doing it every day or every other day, they're really soft.
Okay. So we provide a natural oil that's going to stimulate the growth in your hair, and it's going to hydrate your hair as well, and also take care of the hair to make sure that it's doing what it needs to do.
Gotcha.
So the rose water, I haven't used it personally.
Okay.
But I have learned that it sometimes can either work to be a benefit or it can work against you.
Gotcha.
So finding your medium to find out what works for your hair would be great. So when you leave here, I'm going to send you home with some oil.
Okay.
But instead of doing apple cider vinegar, I think we should do the hot oil treatment.
Okay, I trust you.
Okay. Since we're not doing the apple cider vinegar, we deep clean everybody. This is not a special service.
Okay.
We are big on sanitation. This deep clean will get you together. Gonna lay on back, relax.
How's your morning?
It's going amazing.
That's good.
I'm an early girl.
Oh, are
I
you?
get up, meditate,
Okay, I love it.
do some exercise, and bring my butt on in here.
I love it.
Order it up.
See, I'm not an early bird, but I have the same exact timeline as you. But my body still naturally wakes up at 7:30, which I don't like, but I accept it so that I can get everything done.
Yes. So I'm training. So I do classes here.
Oh,
and
nice.
I'm training her to become a loctician.
Nice.
So she'll be watching.
Okay.
Do you want me to do this first or no? Where'd you know? Your hair is nice here.
Thank you.
I don't think I could ever get used to the summers though.
Really?
No.
I love heat.
Oh my God. I love it to see it from the window. That's it.
That's hilarious.
That's all you gonna get. This is a therapeutic shampoo.
Okay.
You got a little head.
I got a what?
You got a little head.
I have. Please say it louder for everybody.
You
Wow.
got a little head.
You are the first person ever in my life to say those beautiful words.
Some heads, girl.
Okay, well, I appreciate that. 'Cause let me tell you, everybody I meet says, yo, your head is huge. I'm like, is it?
No.
Well, I appreciate that, and I will be highlighting that.
So we offer 3 different hot oil treatments here. One grapeseed,
Okay.
jojoba, and peppermint. I chose peppermint because of the benefits that we're going to get from the peppermint.
Okay.
You get good benefits from all of them, but peppermint is my favorite.
And what makes it your favorite?
Because it heals that part. I really, in real life, I'm addicted to the tingle feel.
Right.
So I like it because of that. And then peppermint helps stimulate the growth in the hair. So you get all those benefits on top of the tingles.
Right. I love
Give me the
peppermint.
tingles.
I love peppermint. I even use peppermint castor soap. That's the soap I use.
Yeah.
So I love peppermint.
This hot oil treatment gonna help you out tremendously. Especially with color. You should never be dry at all.
Okay.
I don't want to see breakage.
I guess God led me to you for a reason. And my subscribers helped that.
Oh, thanks, y'all. Yeah. You'll be able to feel the difference in your hair too.
For sure. These smell good, by the way.
Thank you.
Smells amazing.
So I do a lot of classes as well. I want to grow the community.
I love it.
So I do a lot of classes here.
Mm-hmm.
Opening up the door for the youth. I'm really aiming for the youth.
I love it. That's how it should be anyways.
That part.
How long have you been teaching classes now?
4 or 5 years. I've been a loctician for 8 years.
Mm-hmm.
And I've been teaching for 5.
Wow, it's a long time.
On top of teaching, I'm still a student.
Mm-hmm.
So I take classes regularly as well.
Mm-hmm.
To make sure I stay up to date with the new stuff.
Right. And what got you into locks?
I would send my son to go get his hair done.
Mm-hmm.
And he would always come back like nothing happened.
Oh, that's terrible.
It was real terrible. I was a braider before I became a loctician.
Okay.
So I've been really picky on parts all my life.
Makes sense.
So after being upset with him, always coming back home, like nothing happened, I went out and I took a class myself. Came to Arizona and got certified.
That'll do it.
And so now I just do locks all day. I love it. It don't feel like work.
I love that. That's how it should feel. It should be fun every time you get up and do stuff, or you should have a passion for it. Or
Yeah.
you just hate it.
Or you just hate it. So I love what I do and I let the hair speak to me. So coming in here, anybody, if your hair is screaming out how oil treatment, I'm giving it to you.
Right.
Whether you want to pay or not, I'm going to recommend that we doing that.
Right.
So I pay attention to the hair.
I feel like that's important. A lot of hairdressers don't do that.
It's extremely important. And I'm a product junkie. So everything has to be a benefit.
Makes sense.
You can go ahead and sit up.
Whew. Ab workout a little bit.
Oh, you got an unk. Let me find it. I love it. You got unks all over my body.
Really? You guys? Okay. Okay.
Because of COVID, we haven't been able to use capes. So forgive me.
It just don't even make sense, some of these rules.
It's crazy.
The rules don't make sense.
But you gotta follow them.
Exactly.
Unfortunately.
Literally. It's mine, really.
Go back a little. Okay, perfect. Oh, look at your hair. This is what I'm talking about.
You're out here saving lives, saving
Oh,
locks.
So it's gonna be a cool rinse.
Okay.
Forgive me.
No, you're fine.
You can sit up. That is my chair over there with the light.
Okay.
I'm cleaned up behind us.
Okay.
Stimulate your scalp. Normally I would oil your scalp, but you're nice and hydrated.
Yeah. All your stuff smells so good.
Thank you. So no gel, no waxes.
Okay.
No gel, no waxes.
Perfect.
We use an all natural pomade. The main ingredient is lemongrass. So you smell like lemongrass.
Love lemongrass.
If you got a boyfriend, he will love it. So you have a lot of new growth.
Yeah. It's ridiculous.
So you understand the importance of making sure that you retighten this new growth meal.
Yes.
Okay, good.
No, you can tell me.
Okay, she said, wait a minute.
Right, go ahead. But I do keep these little pieces out, these ones on the side.
So do you not want me to make this a lot?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
I'll keep those out.
So just leave it? Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. So the importance of getting a retwist, retighten, whatever you choose to call it, is because the hair tends to grow away from the lock, the coil, and it causes thinning over time. So you want to make sure that you're staying on top of your maintenance.
Gotcha. I will say I feel like my hair takes a lot to lock though. I don't know why.
Because of your hair texture?
Yeah.
I mean, different techniques, you get different results, different products.
That's true.
Products will either make or break your journey.
That's true.
So, I don't know. I can't put my hand on what other people be doing. But, however, let me know how this worked out for you.
I'm going to keep you posted.
Please do.
How long do you suggest that people keep their styles in after they leave their retwists?
So it depends, because I have some people they stays in a style for 30 days to 30 days until they come back. I have some people that take them down in a week. So it's a personal preference. There's no rule.
Got you.
When it comes down to that. Your hair is really nice.
Thank you. You don't feel that people ever say they lose their black retwist? I only ask them because this is a question that I get from people very often, that they can't keep their retwists. So basically you're saying it's usually just the technique and probably the products.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I guess, guys, you gotta find new people.
Yes.
This is my biggest question.
Definitely. Making sure that you got somebody that's very product knowledgeable and know what they're doing. It matters. We only specialize in locks, so we're not doing nothing else but locks here. So it hit a little different.
Right.
The lock knowledge go a little deeper because we specialize in locks.
Makes sense.
What do you normally do with that little piece of hair right there? I'm curious.
Usually I just put like gel or moisturizer on it just so it'll be curly.
So I was just gonna say, curl it up. That makes sense. I like it. It's unique. It's different.
Thank you. I used to have some in the front, but then I just got sick of it, so I just put them in the locks.
So I move fast.
Oh, you literally took the words. I was literally about to say, well, you move quick.
I move fast. I've been doing this for 8 years, so.
I was like, why is she in the middle of my head?
Yes, ma'am.
But that's good, though. You stay busy.
Yes, ma'am. It's a blessing. I like to be able to help. I was losing my mind at home during COVID.
Oh, yeah, I couldn't. I was still going outside.
I was going outside, but it's kind of hard when you're not going to work. I'm used to going to work.
That's true. How long did you have to close down?
2 months. Wow. So I was losing my mind. I was real healthy though.
Right.
When I tell you I was working out.
See, well, I'm glad you used that time for that.
Absolutely.
Because I've been trying to tell people, you gotta look at the beauty of quarantine. Like, yeah, it sucked that we had to be forced, but like, you could have used that time to better yourself, you know?
Absolutely. It was a perfect time to better yourself. It's a perfect time to just sit down and regroup.
Exactly.
So I definitely appreciated that time. But I wanted to come back to work.
I feel it.
But it was needed.
Yeah.
I think it was needed for the world.
It was.
Honestly.
It definitely was. It really was. People just had to find the positives out of it.
Yes, that part.
Well, I want you to know, that hair stuff smells so good. It smells, the stuff she's putting in my hair smells so fire.
Rub me some of that shit.
I'll see what I can do.
He has locks?
Oh, wow. Babe, show your locks.
Oh, they the same color. That's cute.
Yeah.
They dope.
I told you to just like me better.
Oh, wow. I like it. So I use the black edge control that's going to fill it in.
Okay.
And it looks really, really nice. You can't even tell.
Okay.
How long do it take you to do your retwist?
Probably like 45 minutes.
That's not bad.
Yeah. We try to breeze through it. I don't like doing hair.
I don't like doing hair.
I do not. That is just not a thing for me.
I think that's my next life. Like, I know I'm related to the Marleys somewhere.
I feel you. Well, my dad's Jamaican, so I'm biased. I love reggae.
So do you know how to cook like that?
Of course. I was very much so raised more Jamaican.
Nice.
So yeah, that's all I grew up on.
So anytime you want to exchange meals for freestyle,
I got you.
I got you.
Girl, I got you. It'll be ITAL food though.
I'm okay with that.
Okay, alright, I got you for that.
So I am a part person. Like my parts, I have a part OCD and I can't control it.
No, I feel you.
Don't forgive me anymore.
No, there's nothing. I have really bad OCD. If you see my house, you will understand. So I have no quarrels with that.
I will look at a picture like, no, Darnishia, no.
Okay.
Let me know if you want your water.
Okay, thank you. That dryer was about to put me to sleep.
It always do. Camera. Okay. I mean, not camera. Mirror.
Okay. How cute.
You are really cute.
Thank you.
Oh, you cute, girl. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
This is a really nice style. If you ever do it again, you should do the two hanging out on the sides. I think that would be really cute.
Oh, we finished. This lovely lady is absolutely amazing.
Thank
so
you.
I feel like I smell really good because of you.
Thank you.
So guys, definitely check her out. She's located in Glendale. I'll let you
Yes,
know.
ma'am. I'm located in Glendale, Arizona. I also have another salon in Minnesota, and I'm hoping to have more salons. Come check me out. I definitely do things from the heart. Products is everything. Come check me out. You'll be happy.
Love it. So definitely check out the description box. I'm going to leave both her addresses in the description box as well as her Instagram. And thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks, sweetie.
And her energy is amazing. Okay?
Thank you.
So you guys, I just wanted to share my experience with her. She's absolutely amazing. Her energy is beautiful, and I was so happy with my little ninja or space buns. They were super cute. So if you're in the Arizona or Minnesota area, definitely check her out. She's a sweetheart, and literally she's so quick too. And you guys, I just want to say it's a week and some change later, and my retwist is still here and it still looks fire. So definitely check her out. Check the description box for all her information below, and yeah, it was worth it. Okay. Have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is for you guys, and I will see you lovelies later, and I will definitely be having more lock videos, so definitely stay tuned.